Alright, Lego fanatics, we're back. We're going to put some more things together here. So, put this together like this. This one together like that. And then while we've got this running, let's put this here. Nope. I'll put that there. We're going to put this here. Then I'm going to put this cheese slope right there, like that. Okay, and now, hang on, because I'm going to put some stuff together here. It's really cool. So I need this and this together like this, okay? And I'm going to take this part, I'm going to put it right like that. I'm going to take these and stick them in here. Just like that. I'm going to take this, yeah, and put it there. Take the other one here, like that. And voila. Alright. And this goes on here. Like that. There we go. Press it together a little bit. There we go. Alright, so that's going to go like that. Now, I'm going to take this part. I'm going to put this here. Like this. I'm going to take... Oh, I'm sorry. I'm missing a thing. So this is going to go... Trying to make sure I'm doing this right. Yep, that's where it goes. It's just like this. Now, remember what I told you about equal and allowable pressure. If you put too much on these things, they tend to come apart on you, and then parts fly all over the place. So there we go. So that's how that's supposed to look, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to build this. I'm going to put this here, this here. This is going to go like this. And this is going to go here. It's going to go here. Take these two pieces and stick them here, like that. And this is going to go across the front. And that's how that's going to look. Ooh! Because what we're building here is the cockpit for the ship. So this is going to be really cool looking. Alright, well, like I said, I like these short videos. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.